Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover the little TikTok messages on TikTok. So let's dive into our TikTok. So these are our TikTok interviews
Join
now.
TikTok lẹ́ni.
You
O
come
need
to
kó
this
wọ́n K
approval
follower.
picture. Then you come to this three-line button here, and you click your settings and privacy. And here you click on your account, and this is download your data. So now. So you're going to download your data. Request download data here, and once you close this request download data, you can see your data includes your account info and settings, your post on TikTok, your messages. You're going to see all your deleted messages of deleted on your TikTok before. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.